Hey guys, it's your girl Rhoda Eats, and today I am bringing to you the famed, the classic ginger beer. Now, this is very popular where I grew up in Barbuda and also in Antigua, many islands across the Caribbean. This is my old ginger from in the fridge that I'm going to use a spoon and scrape the skin off. It's so easy and it's such a quick process, so I'll be back when that is done. And here we go. It's nice and clean, and I only use a spoon to do this. Isn't that amazing? So next I'm going to use my food processor. Okay, in the back there, that's Janelle at naturallyj93 on Instagram if you want to check her out. But I'm just going to make this into a paste because I know a lot of people in the islands, they use the actual ginger root, they steep it overnight or for 24 hours and stuff like that. Mine is a much quicker process with that authentic ginger beer flavor, of course with my flair, which is the lemon. Okay, so this is actually my lemon ginger beer, but all you gotta do is just cut back on the lemon and or take it out completely, and then you'll just have regular ginger beer. And as you can see, I'm having a bit of technical difficulty here with my food processor, so eventually you'll see me actually switch it out for my single cup blender. Okay, so yeah, this ginger beer recipe is so near and dear to me. It's absolutely delicious. My kids devour it. So you should know that if you have the PTSD like I do from that hot, spicy ginger beer growing up, then this is perfect for you. Okay? Now, the amount of water that you need to make the paste is completely dependent on you, okay, and what it takes, how much ginger you have. So I will just blend it up and I'll add more water if need be, but this was actually the perfect amount of water for what I was looking for. So now I'm just going to take my ginger paste. There you go. See, it's nice and smooth. And I'm going to put it into boiling water. That's the 1/4 cup scoop right there. So there you go. I put 2/4 of a cup on there, and I did a little I don't know what to call it, but I got the cinnamon into a tea bag. So I did that because I didn't have any cinnamon sticks, but feel free to use cinnamon sticks if you have it. And I'm gonna strain this so you can just put the cinnamon in it. I didn't want to go through all that, so I just zhuzhed it and got it into a tea bag. And immediately after putting the ginger and the cinnamon into the boiling water, I took it off the heat and I let it steep there until the water was mostly cool. Okay, this is where I want to start adding all my other ingredients after straining it. I'm using cheesecloth to strain here. You can use coffee filter, whatever it is that you use to strain very fine things, because sometimes there's a bit of a film there even though you blend the ginger up, but it's barely anything. You would get this in regular ginger beer at home anyway, but you see that. And because the water is still a bit warm, I'm able to add my sugar and my lemon juice. All the exact amounts of everything I added, of course, will be in the description box as always. Please don't forget to check the description box. I got you every single time. And that's all it takes, really. I'm using vanilla essence. A lot of people use almond essence. I like the vanilla. So I use a bit of that, some brown sugar, and the lemon juice. And that's all there is to it. After that, you pour it into a glass with ice or a pitcher and put it in your fridge. I serve mine with cucumbers. The cucumber gives it that extra cooling effect to it that I like. And it's just absolutely delicious. And that's it, y'all. For real, for real, for real. That is it. That's how you make it. And this is just something you can enjoy for any occasion. No matter how hot or cool it is, you will definitely enjoy this ginger beer. Okay? So I just want to thank you for checking my video out, and if you make this, let me know how you enjoyed it. And again, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe if you like my content, and if you have any suggestions for anything, leave it in the not in the description leave it in the comments below, or you could head over to my Instagram at Rhoda Eats. The link is below in the description box as well, and you could DM me or comment on anything and let me know. And I will see you again in the next one. Bye.